So here we have Helwig, NCE 9th edition, July 2025 codes. And these are just mixed questions for the NCE. No, I have not added anything yet. I've been kind of busy doing other projects, which I will announce at some point, but we still have it here. No longer called Quizziz, it's called WAYGROUND. I know, paper company sounds like it should be on The Office. But yes, so if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. And if you have not liked and subscribed, please do so. I really appreciate you all being here. And thank you for taking time out to take these codes, these non-quiz questions now, which are called WAYGROUND, and just put them into your study plan. So I'm happy to have you here and happy studying. So here we have Helwig. Helwig has 200 questions mixed up for those who are taking the NCE. Like I said before, this code, it's only one. This code is good until the end of July, so July 31st. So make sure you like and subscribe in order to get the notification when new videos come out in between, because I will be doing some new videos. Oh, if you have not had the time, check out my lo-fi study. I'm doing that to allow people to study on their own time and be in one channel to do so. So, any questions, please let me know, but I'm happy to always have you here.